Okay teachers, if you want to transport your class around the world to look at different cities and to explore them, then the City Walks website is a really cool place to take a look at. The address is citywalks.live. It's totally free. You can take city walks in cities all around the world during daytime, during nighttime. You can listen to the sounds of the city. So at the moment I'm taking a walk through Rome at nighttime. Let's turn the sounds on for a minute. You hear the buskers and stuff like that. Let's turn that off. Let's go back to daytime. We could take a little walk around Rome, or we could take a look around all these different cities down the side here. So you've got Amsterdam and Athens and Barcelona and so on. This side panel pops out the way if you click those three lines there, so that disappears. There are some adverts that pop up, they're easily removable. And it's a really cool free website. If you're looking at particular cities in geography, want to have a walk around the city, then this is the site for you. If you want to maybe use this to stimulate some creative writing, if you're studying particular languages and want to look at street signs, Gelateria, San Gelato, you could look at the signs in Italian, or go around Paris and look at signs in French. It's a nice little website just for taking your class on an immersive trip somewhere else. It's a way of using your interactive whiteboard as a window on the world. My one problem with it is you can't pause and you can't go forwards or go backwards, so if you wanted to go back and see something that you found interesting, you can't, but that's a minor quibble. It's quite a nice little website. Obviously Google Treks is good for this, but I quite like this. It's nice and it's free, so take a look. It's citywalks.live. Explore the cities, see which ones work best for you, which ones your class really like. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what cities you found were really good tours, and I'm about another quick video in the future. Thanks very much for your time. Cheers, goodbye.